Over the ensuing years, I never quite forgot the paths, now and again taking a walk up there to check how they were getting by. Occasionally dusting off a few leaves from the steps and placing the odd rock back on the dry stone wall that had been knocked off. It wasn't long until I was back at Blackthorn Covert checking on the paths and finding that over the years the Keeting ester had started to take hold again, and some of the 200-year-old dry stone walls that support the paths had been damaged. After 30 years of fighting my way through places last visited by a Victorian miner or the odd hunting dog, amazingly I'm still finding things such as a gamekeeper's spring, Roman lead pits, 300-foot notch carved out during the last ice age, medieval bell pits and glacial erratics, to name but a few. To try to find answers, I've been working with the British Geological Survey and the University of Manchester. I'm also using LiDAR data to strip back the trees to study the terrain in more detail. My enthusiasm and love for these hills hasn't really left me, and when I find myself at a loose end, it isn't long before I'm out exploring again. We run volunteer days once a month and venture deep into the estate. It's been 20 years now since I took up the challenge, and if anyone wants to join our team by volunteering to restore these paths, to get them open again, then please sign up through the Trust's website or email shop@gwrychcastle.co.uk